Hello, I'm John Hobson with Hobson Home Improvements. You may run into this problem where your door will not close properly. It will be rubbing here against the jamb and it will not close. Or it will be rubbing at the bottom. So in order to fix that, there's several things that could cause that. So we'll start with some simple things first. Okay, one of the things that commonly happens is the screws get loose, either in the jamb or in the door. So you can tighten up the screws. Make sure you don't strip it out though. And this will be obvious if it is loose. The hinge will be, you'll be able to pull the door and the hinge will be coming away from the jamb, so you can see that. Another thing that happens is you notice the screws are real short. So what you want to do is, instead of having a short screw, is to buy a longer screw like this, 2.5, 3 inches. That way this screw can go all the way through the jamb and into a solid 2x4. And this provides a much stronger mounting point for your hinge. So you can do that with the upper hinge and the middle hinge. That's very important. That's where all the force, the weight of the door is pulling on these hinges. So that's one simple way of fixing a door that is rubbing on the jamb or on the bottom, on the threshold.